Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day and a great week. If you're new, welcome and stay connected. In today's video, we'll be doing a fun DIY project. So I have painted two old mobile covers and this is how they look now. So let's get started. Let's start the process by taking off the cover from each cell phone. As you can see, the condition of this cover is not so good. It has become yellowish already and it really needed this makeover. So for this case, I have masked the boundaries because it has a golden lining. So I wanted to save that golden line. That's why I have masked them. I'm giving a base coat of white. I'm using acrylic gesso and the normal acrylic white paint for these base coats. Using this gesso is totally optional. If you have this at home, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip this step and you can use the normal white paint. Gesso is usually very thick and opaque. That's the reason I use it for such kind of DIY projects. I have divided both covers in two parts with the help of washi tape. I have taken a little bit of red paint and I am mixing white in this paint to make it a nice pink shade. I really suggest to use a soft brush for acrylic paintings. Do not use a brush with hard bristles as it may damage the base paint. I spoke about this already in my previous video on how to do blending with acrylics. Whenever you are working with acrylics, try to use soft bristle brush. It really helps the painting. For the second cover, I'm using turquoise paint and I have not masked the boundaries of this cover. So I have to paint the corners as well. I'll be giving 3 coats of this paint to each cover so that the paint do not look transparent or it reduces the possibility of any brush marks. So it is always a good idea to give at least 2 or 3 coats of paint when working on such surfaces. I'm using golden color for the other half of this case, and for this as well I will be giving 3 coats. The paint has all dried up. So it's time to remove the masking tape from the edges. It's really satisfying to remove this masking tape and see that crisp line of paint. That's the reason I'm such a big fan of masking tapes. I have added some white, grey and black flowers to this portion, and I'll be doing some tiny little pink dots on the upper portion. For the second case, I'm using black acrylic pen to create leaves that are coming out of two corners. I'll be writing my name from this black acrylic pen, although I'm not very good at calligraphy, but still I'm trying to do it. I'm gonna give a coat of varnish to save the paints from chipping off. There is a warning issued in public interest. If you are planning to do this DIY project and you have kids at home, first keep your mobile phones at the safest place, because when you remove these mobile covers, they become very slippery, or maybe you are not used to of handling the mobile phones without cover and they may fall off your hand. So first keep your mobile phone at the safest place before painting your mobile cover. Thank you so much. I have successfully painted these two covers. You can use any kind of color or patterns to do this amazing and fun DIY project. If you like the video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay at home.